What is the Pomodoro Technique?
The Pomodoro Technique is a time management method that helps you stay focused and productive. It involves breaking your work into short, concentrated intervals, typically 25 minutes, called Pomodoros. Each interval is separated by a short break. This approach helps reduce distractions, prevent burnout, and improve both concentration and motivation throughout your day.
Why use timer apps for Pomodoro?
Timer apps are practical tools for applying the Pomodoro Technique. They automate the timing of work sessions and breaks, so you can focus on your tasks rather than watching the clock. Many apps offer features like notifications and progress tracking. Best of all, there are plenty of free timer apps available for smartphones and computers, making it easy to get started.
Getting started, choosing a timer app.
Look for timer apps specifically designed for the Pomodoro Technique. Popular free options include Focus To Do, PomoFocus, and Tomato Timer. Choose an app that suits your device and personal preferences. Key features to look for are customizable session lengths, reminders for breaks, and simple interfaces that won't distract from your workflow.
How to use the Pomodoro Technique with a timer app?
To begin, choose a task and set your timer app for 25 minutes. Work on the task with full focus until the timer rings. Then, take a 5-minute break. After completing 4 Pomodoros, enjoy a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. Using a timer app encourages regular pacing, helping you maintain focus and avoid fatigue.
Tips for making the most of Pomodoro sessions.
For best results, turn off notifications and minimize distractions during each session. Before starting, list your tasks and estimate how many Pomodoros each will take. Review your progress at the end of the day to identify patterns and improve your workflow. Adjust session lengths if needed, but always make time for breaks to recharge.
Benefits and long-term success.
Consistent use of the Pomodoro Technique with a timer app can boost your productivity, sharpen your focus, and help you finish tasks more efficiently. Over time, it trains your brain to concentrate for longer periods and makes difficult projects feel more manageable. Give it a try and experience the benefits of structured, mindful work.